Hello. Isaiah and I wanted to start a series where we play cringe story games. So here's part one.
Yes,
So
this
for the first one, you guys might have played a game called Airplane before. Nah, we playing airplane at home. We're playing helicopter.
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 Oh look, there's a little van right over there. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. Ambulance.
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City.
Build the rescue helicopter.
Oh my, never mind. Why are we in space now?
We're in space. I thought this was a helicopter. This isn't even a helicopter. Where's the doors?
What the?
Open thing.
Solar? Welcome to
your tour of Antarctica.
I'm
your Captain Solar. Make yourself comfortable.
What is this game? This is not a helicopter.
The door?
And yeah.
Don't forget to take out your phones and snap some epic photos while we are flying over Antarctica.
I can't see anything. Also, helicopters don't like close things. Actually, they might. Oh my.
Sit down before it kills us or something, man.
This is so goofy. Of course, no one plays it. Wait, actually, it visits. There's 2 million visits in 7,000 favorites. We're the only people active.
What was that? It seems like there was an explosion. I'll voice Solar, by the way.
Alright, you got Solar. I got us.
Don't worry, though. I think I know what to do.
Why are you wearing a space suit?
What are you gonna do?
Why are you wearing a space suit?
What are you going to do, Solar? Solar, what did you do? That can't be good. The master alarm just activated by itself. Prepare for crash. What do you mean?
This is so goofy.
You did absolutely nothing.
Oh, now it's a real helicopter, huh? Oh, he died! What the heck?
Before I die, there's a radio in the front of the helicopter.
Okay, I'll get it.
What? Use it to contact help.
Solar disease. What the heck?
I know the game was trying to make us feel bad for him, but there was nothing that would make me feel that way.
Yeah, they didn't build a character. And why is he wearing a spacesuit?
Are they saying Antarctica is this small?
Okay, so wood just grew out of the ground. Wood just grew out of the ground. Okay.
The wood just came out of nowhere.
It literally grew out of the ground. I'm not even kidding. Alright, did we get
How are we gonna start a fire? We're just gonna rub the sticks together?
I guess. Alright, we have enough wood.
And how are we gonna do it in the cold?
What do you mean build a shelter? This is
so bad.
After 6 hours of non-stop building, you all got How did we build?
How did we get 10?
How did we build 2 tents? And we still have wood.
We just I don't know.
This is so stupid.
If it's already this good, I can't wait to see what's next.
You can't even sleep. What is this?
Not only is the helicopter inconsistent, but it's also inconsistent that there are tents. Just tents.
Okay, it's morning. And they still haven't. Polar bear.
Polar bear? How did the That's not a polar bear!
Polar bear evil.
Bruh.
Polar bear evil. Does that mean there's a good polar bear? The polar bear ran
away.
No, it didn't. That is not a bear.
Where did it go?
Do we have like
that was like some guy wearing a suit.
Do we have like
Willie Matthews.
Yeah. Do we have like a total IQ of 2? Because that was not a bear. Why is the tech? You survived the night.
We survived the night.
Yeah, we survived the night, but wait. We're all very hungry. Ooh. Oh no.
No. When the helicopter crashed, all the food fell somewhere. One of us has to go get the...
I'll go.
It just spawns. Spawn.
Oh, and it's perfectly in a picnic basket.
Oh no, the food is out of reach. We need to complete an obby to get it.
What's on the
Yeah.
other side? It keeps charging me for something. Okay, get the food off. Get to the food.
We just did.
Yeah,
I'm
proceed.
fine. They're drowning, but
Yeah.
they're not trying to come up for air. Is that like Solar's brother?
I don't know.
Raul or? Rawlor? Is that Rawlor?
It's quickly leave the
Quickly
tent.
leave the tent.
Bro,
Everyone leave the tent.
okay, we gotta get
Why?
out of the tent.
Why?
I don't know.
Why should we get out of the tent? There's no reason.
There's a monster
There's a
running.
monster running straight. Why? Why?
This is.
How is the ice floating?
This is so random.
It's just a mini island of the one we were already on.
It fell in the water.
It's dead.
Let's go back now.
Dad even tried to throw it into the ocean.
We didn't give him
The
proper
rescue
boiler.
man might land near the monster and get killed. What
Monster!
What monster?
We need to warn.
Oh.
Oh.
I guess not.
What is? I'm not even gonna question it.
Who are you?
I'm not even gonna question it.
I can't fly near cold water for too long.
You're
Why?
on an island!
Are you all ready to go? And not only just any island, a reused island that we were already on, just shrunken down. We're never flying in a helicopter again after this.
Alright,
Flying back to land.
Oh my god, there's more!
Why is there more?
Oh my,
Why did the helicopter get bigger?
Alright.
They eat Mario mushrooms? How?
Yay, we can't wait.
Yay,
Oh, yay, I can't wait to just stand around. Thankfully,
we got our wood back.
Yeah, I have my wood. What's that noise?
What's
Somebody.
that noise? It's the monster. How did it get here? It
just appeared. Oh no, Sure. It's not even moving. It's just wind. I'm calling for backup.
I'm calling for backup. Then they'll
kick
shoot
it.
at us
Then
and
kick
blow
it.
us up, idiot.
Wait, oh, you can fall out. Do not. Oh, okay, well, stop. Oh my gosh, it keeps charging me for something.
The monster just climbed inside. It's a good thing it's super slow. What about you, dude? Are we just gonna leave you here? I mean, I'm totally fine with that, but are we just gonna... It fell. It fell. It fell. What about you, rescue man?
He's gonna die. Don't worry
about me. Leave quick before the monster jumps on you.
It fell. It fell.
Dude, we're not gonna care about you. We don't really care.
What is this?
Just like Solar, I swear.
What's with the red alarm again? Like,
luckily we are in a sea helicopter, so we can float in water. Oh, okay. That's convenient.
Yeah, it's convenient. Don't go in the water.
Don't go in the water. It's full of fuel. And then where's the fuel? I don't see it.
Well, what are we supposed
to do
now? Just wait. Let me try to contact.
Let me try to contact my team.
Why did you do that earlier?
Oh no, there's no power in the helicopter, so we can't contact help.
Don't you have a separate radio? Oh, I have a radio. We're stranded in the middle of the helicopter.
Stranded on this helicopter, surrounded by toxic water. Rats.
To be continued. Is there a part 2? We have decided to give helicopter. Isaiah, would you like to read the final results?
Yes, I will. So, the results are 10 out of 10. It's a great game. Yeah.
Good job, helicopter.
It made us laugh, so that was good.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
If we were actually serious people,
we give it a 2.
It would be...
It's so goofy.
It would be a 2. Yeah, it would be a 2.
Alright, to the next game. Oh, we're the... Oh, what is that? Does it have a? Oh, I don't like that at all. Nuh-uh.
What? You don't like what?
Just join
I
me.
don't.
You'll see.
What is this?
Look at the face. Look at the face. Ew.
Face. Just why?
All right, come on. Let's go to the doghouse.
To join the game. Oh, someone's actually playing. What?
Okay, so this game is actually popular.
Did we start a chain reaction or something?
Maybe.
Hey, idiot! Get in the doghouse.
They decided to go into the one that takes 40 seconds. Great. Hold on.
Idiots.
Starting a new story. Oh my! What the heck?
It's
I'm
just
thirsty.
You. It's just you, not your dog. Just you.
Yeah. I don't want to be here. Where are we?
I guess we're in the dog pound or something. I hope we're rescued soon.
What was that? Where are we? Dog sitter?
Dog sitter? I thought it said stealer.
That'd be even better.
Why?
He'd take us out of here.
Dude.
I really don't like that face.
What do you do? Hello there, dudes.
How did he?
He just opened the entire gate. It's time for your walk. Is this man
What the heck?
God? How is he opening these gates?
What is this leash? What is this leash?
They're noodle leashes.
I'm just not gonna move. I think he drags you. Yep, there we go.
Yeah, we're gonna make him drag us. We don't want to go on a walk.
He's on a track, so no matter what. Oh wait. Never mind. Listen
up. Your owner's on holiday.
Oh, so
wait,
we're in,
why are you keeping us?
We're British.
Inside a cage.
I don't know. So we're probably in London, because holiday in London means like vacation. I learned that from Mr. Bean, by the way, so shout out to Mr. Bean.
Okay, let's go. Vámonos.
What? Wow! I'm so excited! Dog!
There's literally nothing here. There's nothing here at all. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. It's just dirt.
You sure this isn't where we take a dog?
Let's play a little game I invented.
He invented a game.
You didn't.
You didn't.
Touch the ball to get a prize.
This is competition now.
Where'd it go? Oh no!
Aha!
Good dog.
I didn't even touch it. What the?
You get a sheriff's hat. I get a big Santa hat.
My hat's better.
Nice.
Nice.
Just nice. You just barked. I said nice.
Oh shoot! I hope my
How'd
hat's
you
good.
get it? You
60.
Get a 60s hat.
Oh! I love this hat. Yeah, it is so me.
I'll take this, thank you.
What'd you get? Oh.
I look like that dude from that one anime, One Piece. Bet you all wish you had this farmer hat. Yeah, I bet they do.
Okay. You know, you can have it. I like my 60s hat.
Nah, I like my hat.
Well, go. There you go.
Fine, I got it.
Okay.
A Jamaican hat?
That's kind of cool.
I feel like I could take on the world with this
Jamaican hat.
Isaiah is the alpha doggo with 3 fetches.
Oh. Well, I didn't know it was a game, but like I didn't want.
Great job, Isaiah.
No.
Wow. That's enough fun for one day. Time to head back.
No, don't take us back there.
Wait, why are our leashes different colors now?
What do you mean? Yours is still blue. Mine's green.
Yeah, but yours is still different. I want to run away. I don't like this guy.
Yeah.
He creeps me out. Oh yeah, almost forgot.
His face is too.
Doges will be making a flight detour. He's gonna kill us. He's gonna kill us.
I have a bad feeling about this. Remember, we were stuck in that cage? That was terrible.
Okay, I'll have to explain. The thing is, I'm letting a friend of mine borrow you for a bit. You're a bad dog sitter, you know that?
Sus.
You're really bad, sus. No. No, you're not funny. So shut. I heard that it's not sus at all. He can understand us? He's a friend I made on Okay.
Craigslist. No, he's gonna kill
Animal
us.
testing facility.
No, 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 no,
no, I can't. No.
No, we're gonna
Besides,
be.
you promised me $10.
He's gonna
You're
turn
a
us.
bad dog sitter.
He's
I
gonna
need
turn us
money
into a
for
Pringles.
food. You're the Doges brought the cash of $10 here. Oh wow, it is $10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, he got one more.
What? No! No!
Oh!
No, help us! No, I hate you already. He's still counting. You can read this guy.
I am the head of Doge facility or something. Automation, full understanding of mining Shiba. You do. Well, we're not Shibas. We're not Shibas. We're Huskies. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, he's a Shiba, so you can test on him. I'm a golden retriever.
What?
Though,
No.
so, yeah,
no.
he's a Shiba.
I'm a golden retriever as well. We're
No.
both golden retrievers.
Oh, the previous test has not finished yet. Wait,
what are you? Something up there.
Oh, that's scientist. Press the red button. Elbows off. Please don't change my hat. No!
You should have let me go.
No, not awesome. This makes me look like I'm.
Actually, I would have preferred that.
I want. Give me something else.
You're not getting your '60s hat back.
No! I cannot get enough of this knife.
Yeah, because it's stabbing right into your skull.
No,
This is mine.
come on! No!
Yes.
No!
Yeah, boy!
I don't want a knife.
Gee, I've wanted a sheriff's hat since I was a puppy.
Bro, Max, leave
true.
me
In
alone.
my case, I do love justice.
Oh my.
Why aren't you reading this guy out loud anymore? Just touch the black balls.
Because he was rude to me. Just give me something good. I didn't even
Garfield
touch
was
it.
the fastest.
I am the fastest. Yes! King Garfield! Yes! I like turtles. Please come get us.
Maybe we can escape. before he tries to blow us up again.
Why is he always so slow? Facts.
I like how it's kind of being self-aware. Even though it's bad, it's self-aware.
Yeah. Alright, please tell me we
That's
can
honestly
go.
pretty good.
Please tell me we can escape now. They will serve. Are we going to war?
We're not going to. You're not sending dogs to war, are you?
He said they will serve their country well. Time for your trip now in a special flying box. Oh God.
We're going to war.
We're going to. We're going to war. Oh my gosh, we're actually going to war.
Wait, isn't this the guy from like remember that Forget Your Friend's Birthday game?
Yeah.
This is like a Ronald.
Oh
Remember
yeah.
that guy who betrays you?
No,
And
for
throws you off the.
No, rhubarbs.
Yeah, rhubarb.
Yeah.
Welcome
Dude.
to which country was this again?
Anyway.
Anyway.
Why are we in war? We're dogs.
We captured this island, but found bomb traps left behind.
Oh, we're bomb dogs. Exclamation mark.
I think we're in the Philippines.
Defusing them is too dangerous for us. So
we'll do it.
No, we're more important.
Oh, I found it. I found it.
Oh.
Never mind.
Please
no.
don't. Okay, go. Get it. Dude, I'm so happy that you guys are just standing there.
Yeah, even though the bombs are plainly obvious. Where's the bomb? Where's the bomb? Where's the bomb?
I'm using my ear. Oh, I found it.
Get it. Awesome work, doggies. This is great. No need to worry about explosions as you're just dogs.
What?
We can still die. Oh, I found the other two. They're mine.
Nah, one of them's mine. You can get the other. Touche? I mean, deal.
Wait, there's one more? Oh, I see it.
Yeah, it's right there. Nice.
Isaiah defused the last one. Great work. As your reward, I'll give you...
Please don't give me a hat. Nothing. Yay!
Nothing. As you're just dogs. He's a saboteur. I hope you're not afraid of heights. He's gonna throw us off. I'm calling it.
I am. Oh my.
Oh, run. We have to run.
He's too fast. He's too fast.
Military mammals must be brave.
He's too fast. He's gonna drop us.
We are too high up. We are too high up. Try not to fall, okay? He doesn't care about us. We don't want to waste money training more dogs.
Jump the pigeon.
Oh, I got leashed. Your next task. Yes, 5,000 bombs are hidden in this building. How do you know this? 100 on each floor. So you're saying there's 50 floors? You will. Find them all, and I'll even give you a hat. You know I love hat.
One hat to share?
This guy sucks. I want him to die.
Oh, it's him.
Oh, hi. And who are you?
Look at his hands.
The rightful dog, Sarah. These here pups.
Thank goodness.
These are military mammals now.
Military mammals.
Please hand them over. No. Pretty please? No. Pretty please with sugar on top? No. Since you won't hand them over nicely, kill him. Oh, what? What? Don't. Nah. Wait, that means he placed the bombs.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay away from him. He only gave me $9. You're a liar. Let's get you back to safety. This back.
Yes.
There's someone here to see you. What do you mean there's someone here to see us?
Oh, our parents.
Who's that?
Oh, it's us.
Wait,
it's
that's
us.
you.
And you.
It's us. Wait, so we're not us actually. Your owners came to take you home.
Alright, bye, bro. I'll see you later, my G. Give me a.
Finally, come here.
What the?
Wait, why is my?
Why are you a
face
woman?
like
Why are you a
that?
woman?
I don't know.
Okay. Tell you when we're ready.
Ready.
Alright, so after careful consideration, Isaiah, would you like to read the tally, finish votes for
Yes,
Doge story?
I would.
Alright.
I would. I give it an 11 out of 10. Because it was that good. What can I say?
It was pretty funny. I didn't expect half of what happened, so. Oh my gosh. Someone joined a helicopter! No way!
Someone joined! Someone joined!
Alright, guys, we'll see you in the next part. Bye bye.